Hey everyone, I'm Abhash. Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can put text behind any object in Photoshop. So this is our image, and let's say that we want to put the text behind her in the image. So first of all, I'm going to add a text here. So this is our text. Now we want to put it behind her. For that, duplicate the image layer by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+J. Now move this layer on the top. You might be a little confused now, but watch the video till the end and I will explain it. So now the image layer is on the top and the text is hidden. If I turn the image layer off, then you can see the text. But we do not want to hide the text completely. We just want to put it behind our subject. So for that, we will have to create a mask. You can use any selection tool you want. I'm going to use pen tool. Just create a selection around your subject and click on mask button. Now you will see a mask is added to the image layer. If you want to change the position of text, you can do that, but you will have to keep it inside the mask that you have created. If I turn off the first layer, you will see that we only have text and this selection on top. So you will have to keep the text inside this area. If you are still confused about the whole process, let me clarify it. So I'm hiding all the layers. First we added the image, then we added the text on top of it, and now we want the subject in front of the text. So for that, we created a copy of the image and put it on the top, and then we created a mask to remove everything and just keep the subject in front of the text. So I hope this video was helpful for you and you were able to understand the concept behind it. For more videos, subscribe to the channel. My name is Abhash. I will see you next time.